Hello, good morning everyone. Here I am back with the chapter 3, right? So yesterday we have finished our chapter 2 and now we are starting the chapter 3, that is a developmental journey of seeds. So now we are in this chapter you are going to learn little bit about the seed, that how seed is growing and what is the types of seeds. So first, if you see your page number 21, the chapter starts from that page. So you can see, you can observe the 4 pictures and you know that how seed is growing, right? So you can see the first picture. It is in the first picture you can see the bright sun, the mountains, grounds and the seed which is sowed, right? Seed को हमने पहले बोया है. So seed is there under the soil, right? And it is resting. So the purpose behind it, that you know that how seed is growing, whatever the things seed needs to grow, like proper sunlight, then water, right? These things are the thing कि इससे seed grow होता है, right? So the thing is you have to know that सीड को ग्रो होने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें चाहिए और किस किस फैक्टर से अफेक्ट होके सीड का जर्मिनेशन होता है, इट इज़ ग्रोइंग, राइट? So in the first picture we can clearly see the bright sunlight and the seed is resting under the soil. If you see the next picture, the picture number 2, that seed is now ready to get the sunlight. It is waiting for the water, and now when it gets the water and all the things, it is going to grow. In the picture number 3, you can clearly see that the rainy season started. So this is the rainy season. The picture, can you see? You can see that the rains. It is raining, right? So just behind it, you can see that the sunlight, the clouds, the mountains are there. Seed is getting proper water, and if seed is getting proper water, it is now ready to grow. So you can see that seed say, you can see that the leaves and little green leaves are there. You can see that, right? So now seed is growing, and in the picture number 4 you can clearly see that now the seed is a full grown tree, right? And the sunlight is there, seed is a tree now, and you can see that the little grass around the tree. So this is the same process that when you have seen a little baby, a little born baby, it is just born, and आपको फिर उसके साथ खेलते हो एंड ग्रेजुअली वो जब बड़ा होता है ना, इट्स द सेम प्रोसेस, राइट? कि आपने सीड को सो किया है, यू हैव पुट इट अंडर द सॉइल, the seed is getting proper sunlight, and then it is getting proper rain, water from the rain, right? And then gradually it is becoming big. And now in the chapter number 3 you have to learn the types of seeds, right? आपको जैसे पता चला that what factors, कौन से ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जिससे सीड ग्रो होता है जल्दी से. लाइक वी नो नाउ दैट द सीड नीड्स प्रॉपर सनलाइट एंड इट नीड्स प्रॉपर वाटर, राइट? So you can see that there are some kind of questions, right? The first question is that what do you see in the first picture? So we can clearly see in the first picture that the seed is there and the sunlight is there. We have just shown the seed, मतलब कि उसको हमने अभी उसको बोया ही है ज़मीन में, right? In the second picture, what is there? So in the second question it is there that what is seen in the second picture. So we can clearly see in the second picture that it is a sunlight, and seed is waiting for the proper sunlight and the proper water, right? Now it is written that which season is shown in the third picture. So by the picture you can easily guess that it is a monsoon season, right? Because it is raining, right? And in the last question it is written that what do you see in the fourth picture. So in the fourth picture we can see that our baby seed is now fully grown tree, and the grasses are there around the tree. Like वो ट्री अब बड़ा हो गया है और उसके आसपास आपको ग्रीन ग्रास भी दिख रहा है, राइट? सो हियर इज द थिंग अबाउट द फर्स्ट पेज, दैट इज अबाउट अ डेवलपमेंटल जर्नी ऑफ अ सीड. सो नाउ यू नो दैट सीड को बड़ा ट्री होने के लिए क्या चाहिए, राइट? सो आई थिंक इट इज़ क्लियर फॉर द फर्स्ट पेज. Okay, So we have discussed on page number 21, and that was about the journey of the seed, right? That how it is a fully grown tree. Now if you turn the page, on the page number 22, you can see the activity is given there. So that activity is that you have to collect the seeds from your home, like it is a wheat, it is about bean, then you can collect green gram, pigeon peas, bengal gram, like chane खा रहे हो ना वो, then peas, or for talking for the grains you can collect wheat, then jowar, millet, maize if it is there, that's okay. Sesame seeds, like til जो खा रहे हो ना, that is called sesame, right? Then castor, ग्राउंडनट एंड मस्टर्ड, ये सारी चीज़ें आपके घर में होती है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू collect the seeds like bean, then green gram, pigeon peas and grams, and about the grains, that is wheat, maize, right? And what you have to do, that perform the following experiment on the seed. That it is very easy, you don't need any kind of tool, आपको कोई भी चीज़ नहीं चाहिए, you just need the kind of seeds. आपको जो सीड्स दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, वही सीड्स आपके घर में होंगे. इफ़ यू डोंट नो, यू कैन आस्क योर मॉम, लाइक वी हैव इट अ सेसमे और नॉट, लाइक टिल, राइट? So the activity is given there, and that is about it, that break each kind of seeds with a stone. Like don't do it that harsh, वरना चोट लग सकती है आपको ही. So tell your mom to do it in behalf of you, right? आप खुद करने से जगह आपकी मॉम को बोलो that please we have to do a experiment. So you have to break the seeds with the help of stone. Put it aside the seed which has broken into two halves. ऐसे सीड्स जो टू हाफ में ब्रोक हो गए हो, लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने उसको स्टोन मारा और वो सीधा पाउडर हो गए. इट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक अ लिटिल प्रोसेस, कि कुछ सीड्स ऐसे ही होंगे जो पत्थर मारने के टाइम पे दे आर गोइंग टू डिवाइड इनटू टू हाफ्स, राइट? Separate the seeds which have gotten into powder form while baking. It is breaking, right? तो ऐसे सीड्स को अलग करो जो आपने उसको स्टोन मारा एंड इट इज़ लाइक टर्न इनटू अ पाउडरी फॉर्म. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि वो ऐसे फाइन पाउडर में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे, बट लाइक वो आप उसको जब ब्रोक कर रहे हो तो वो पाउडर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे, राइट? यू हैव टू सेपरेट इट, उसको भी अलग करना है. देन you have to do कि कुछ seeds ऐसे होंगे that finally rub all the seeds and that have broken into equal halves or got into a powder on a piece of paper. Like ऐसे seeds को लो कि जो two halves में हो गए हैं divide, और कुछ seeds जो powder form में आ गए उनको if you are rubbing on the piece of paper, you have to see that ये seeds जब आप उनको rub कर रहे हो they are giving you the oily spots, राइट? इट्स लाइक अ सेम थिंग कि आपके लंच बॉक्स में घर में when you are coming to a school, your mom is packing your tiffin box, if she is putting something which is made up of oil or something else, और जब वो आपकी बैग में ही लीक होता है, your books have the kind of oily spots, right? So the same oily spots you are getting when you are crushing kind of seeds, और कुछ seeds ऐसे होते हैं they are leaving oily spots on paper during rubbing. जब आप उसको rub कर रहे हो पेपर पे, you are getting the oily spots. So by this whole experiment we have to divide that it is a cereal or it is a grain, right? So if you see there in the book, it is given that seeds with equal halves. So these are the seeds, जब आप उसको स्टोन से मारने की ट्राई करोगे, उसको ब्रोक करने की ट्राई करोगे, they are going to convert into two halves. So it is green gram, it is pigeon pea, then bengal gram and peas. ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जब आप उन पे स्टोन मारोगे या फिर कोई हैवी चीज़ से उसको ब्रेक करने की ट्राई करोगे, it is going to convert into two halves, right? And ये जो सीड्स जो टू हाफ्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, they are pulses. So if you see in your book, it is written that seeds having broken into two equal halves, or and they are not leaving any kind of oily spot on paper. See, these are the pulses, और pulses कभी भी अनकुक्ड है. अगर पल्सेस अनकुक्ड है, आपने उसको कुक नहीं किया है, तो वो कभी भी ऑयली स्पॉट लीव नहीं करेंगे. सो these are called pulses, right? It is written in your book, so I am not writing it again, right? द सीड्स विच हैव ब्रोकन इनटू पीसेस और टर्न इनटू अ पाउडर फॉर्म, ये सारे सीड्स ऐसे हैं जो या तो फिर छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में ब्रोक हो जाएंगे या फिर वो पाउडर फॉर्म में, लाइक आपको लगेगा कि मोटा मोटा जो पाउडर गिर रहा है, इट्स लाइक दिस. सो इट इज़ व्हीट, मेज, ज्वार एंड मिलेट. सो the seeds which turns into broken pieces or in the powder form, these are known as cereals. ये क्या है? Cereals है, like a grain, like wheat is a grain, right? So you know that you are eating this kind of cereals every day, like आप रोटी चपाती खाते हो ना. The next thing is that pieces are of seeds leaving oily spots on a paper during rubbing. Just because if you think once, you have heard this kind of oils which your mom is talking about. So first thing, that is sesame. Sesame मतलब कि तिल. आप जो उत्तरायण के टाइम पे जो तिल के लड्डू खाते हो ना, इट कैन बी ब्लैक और इट कैन बी वाइट, राइट. सो आपने ये सुना होगा sesame oil. You have heard about castor oil, देन ग्राउंडनट ऑयल एंड देन मस्टर्ड ऑयल. ये सारे ऑयल्स के बारे में आपने कभी ना कभी तो सुना होगा, राइट. सो द सीड्स रिलीजिंग ऑयल, अगर आप उसको ब्रेक करने की ट्राई करोगे तो उस टाइम पे इट इज़ लीविंग ऑयल, राइट, इट इज़ रिलीजिंग ऑयल. सो seeds releasing oil while breaking into pieces or making paste or powder. जब भी आप ट्राई करोगे उसको पेस्ट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए या फिर उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए, उस टाइम पे दे आर रिलीजिंग ऑयल. So that's why they are known as oil seeds, right? So if the seeds are going to convert into two equal halves while breaking, it is pulses. If it is totally broken into pieces or turned into powder form, right, they are cereals. And if they are when you are breaking it or making a paste or something else, they are releasing oil, and when you are rubbing on the paper, you are finding that there are oily spots on the paper, so that are called oil seeds. So everyone is clear about the pulses, then that is about the cereals, and this, if they are leaving the oily spots, they are called oil seeds. Okay, so talking about the next page, on your page number 23, it is written the activity that is right. So it is given to you that you have to make a list of seeds and write the name of seed which you have seen or you know, and other than that the seeds that you have never seen, right. So we are talking about the seeds that you are eating daily or you have seen, right. So first is wheat, then millet, then paddy, green gram, peas and bengal gram. So these are the seeds that you have seen or you have eat, right. But talking about the seeds which you have never seen, that is about mustard seed, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and the thing that you are that is about kidney and maize. And this one that we are talking about, that is castor seeds, right. So the thing when you are your mom is applying castor oil, you have heard that castor oil is very good, right. It is very good for hair growth, right. So this is about the castor seeds, the kidney bean seeds, the maize. These all are the seeds के आपने इसके बारे में सुना है but you have never seen it, right. So these are the list which you have not seen and that you have seen, right. Okay, so this is the another kind of activity which is on the page number 23 that we have to discuss, and we have to classify the cereals, pulses and oil seeds, right. So whatever we have discussed in the earlier tables, that the kind of beans we have discussed and the seeds we have discussed. So we have discussed that millet, maize, wheat and jowar, they are cereals, right. And talking about the pulses, it is green gram, then bengal gram or peas. These are the pulses, but I am not writing here just because we have to classify with the help of the below table which is given there in your textbook, right. So for the oil seeds we have discussed about sesame, then castor, then sunflower, because if you see the advertisement in the TV, it is sometimes it comes that about sunflower oil, right? So it is very good for your health. So that's why sunflower seeds are also oil seeds, right?